Stores are nearly cleared out of Jedi costumes, outrageous hats, and princess dresses.
You know, people sometimes think, ooh, should I get dressed up? Will I feel out of place? I think in these kind of instances, you feel out of place not dressed up.
Which is why costume shops like Mass Costumes in Murray see twice the normal business the week of Comic-Con.
We've got so much to do to get ready for Comic-Con, but I can't go to Comic-Con looking like this.
Well, I guess I need a costume too. Can you help me?
Oh, my dear, that's what fairy godmothers do. Well, almost anything works for Comic-Con. So we can look at something super, we can look at something villainous, we can look at, ooh, this would be fun. Dear, you look wonderful. I think this one's the one.
Last year, the costume shop didn't know what to expect when Comic-Con arrived, but this year they planned ahead and added extra staff.
Comic-Con, you know, you are going to be in an entire world of geekdom, and you have to show up knowing your stuff. I mean, people will be like, oh, that's totally the wrong era for that particular Wolverine.
Superheroes, masked men, and characters from video games are the top sellers this year.
You can let your geek out, and you can be with a whole bunch of other people that also have their geek side, and you just have fun.
But the store owner says come in with an open mind, because the fairy godmother can only do so much.
I've got some wonderful ideas for you, my dear. You might not always have the thing you want, because that went out a week ago, 2 weeks ago, but we're really flexible, and we love being creative.
In Salt Lake City, Ashton Goodell, Fox 13 News, Utah.